Hey friends, if you wish to change the updates download folder location, then please watch this video. I will never do such a thing, but if you want to do it, then here's the process. The command line is mklink space /j space the path of the software distribution folder, because that's where all the Windows updates are downloaded, space the path folder. Okay, so they made it D drive and so on. I'll tell you how to change the path. Go to this PC and then create a, let's say, a new folder here. Let's say WU folder. Okay, and I want the path of this folder, so press Windows plus R to open the run window. Make sure there's nothing in the field. Okay, and then drag this here. You'll get the path. Okay, copy this path and then replace it by the D drive path that I mentioned here, because that's just a sample and I've shared it in the description section of the video. Copy this, open command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator, paste this command here and hit enter, and the directory will be changed. I am not going to hit enter because I never want to change the directory to avoid problems in the future. But if you want to do that, then this is the method. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.